Howdy, howdy, hey, how are you doing today? I'm the Moon Frog, and in this one, we take care of rebuilding a rotten shed floor. So let's get into it. So at this point, we have all of the framing basically done, fully notched and screwed in. Still missing a couple supports, but before we can do that, we have to remove the old floor. Let's try to knock this floor out without knocking the shed off the jacks. All right, let's see if we can drop this floor without dropping ourselves. Bingo. finally have it sitting on its new frame, and it actually feels pretty sturdy. Now we still have to think about the fact that there is going to be 1/2-inch plywood all over this thing, and it's going to be tied to the bottom of the walls, which are straight 2x4s. It's going to make it even sturdier. But now at this point, I have to run some string lines, some levels, and basically make sure these blocks are all level to this side, which is very high. And then we have 2 extra blocks that we will make center supports with. I'm going to get to digging, level that out, and then hopefully we can drop everything back down on the foundation block, lift the shed back up, slide some plywood, and then screw everything down for this project to be officially over. And there we have it. The shed is finally sitting on foundation blocks. Well, we missed a little bit of the project where I was trying to beat the rain and I was running into some camera issues. So sadly we missed the part where I finally lifted the walls of the shed to slide the plywood under. And now it's time to screw it down. So let's go ahead and finish this project so we can move on to the next one. Alright, well that's going to be it for this one. We finally have this shed on its new foundation blocks and on a fresh floor. So hopefully you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button to help the channel grow. And until next time, go out, be rad.